Welcome to Kiddo English Hub Educational Channel.
Daily Use English.
Please wash your hands.
Please wash your hands.
Don't run inside the house.
Don't run inside the house.
Time to brush your teeth.
Time to brush your teeth.
Don't forget your backpack.
Don't forget your backpack.
It's time to go to bed.
It's time to go to bed.
Eat your vegetables, please.
Eat your vegetables, please.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Be kind to your friends.
Be kind to your friends.
Don't touch the stove.
Don't touch the stove.
Sit down, please.
Sit down, please.
Can you tie your shoes?
Can you tie your shoes?
Please share your toys.
Please share your toys.
Say sorry if you hurt someone.
Say sorry if you hurt someone.
Good job cleaning up.
Good job cleaning up.
Time to do your homework.
Time to do your homework.
Drink some water, please.
Drink some water, please.
Put on your jacket.
Put on your jacket.
Don't jump on the sofa.
Don't jump on the sofa.
Please listen carefully.
Please listen carefully.
Let's read a story together.
Let's read a story together.
Close the door quietly.
Close the door quietly.
Help me set the table.
Help me set the table.
Take turns with your friends.
Take turns with your friends.
Let's color this picture.
Let's color this picture.
Hold my hand when we cross the street.
Hold my hand when we cross the street.
Don't throw your toys.
Don't throw your toys.
It's time for breakfast.
It's time for breakfast.
Can you count to 10?
Can you count to 10?
Let's clean up your room.
Let's clean up your room.
Time to put on your pajamas.
Time to put on your pajamas.
Please write your name.
Please write your name.
Do you need help?
Do you need help?
Let's play outside.
Let's play outside.
Put your shoes away.
Put your shoes away.
Please say excuse me.
Please say excuse me.
Look both ways before crossing.
Look both ways before crossing.
Give me a big smile.
Give me a big smile.
Please don't yell inside.
Please don't yell inside.
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
Let's sing a song together.
Let's sing a song together.
Wait for your turn.
Wait for your turn.
Please finish your food.
Please finish your food.
Don't push your friends.
Don't push your friends.
Put the book on the shelf.
Put the book on the shelf.
Time to wash your face.
Time to wash your face.
Let's clap our hands.
Let's clap our hands.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Don't be afraid to try.
Don't be afraid to try.
Let's say goodbye nicely.
Let's say goodbye nicely.
Thanks for watching.